Article 13. Mitigating circumstances. The following are mitigating circumstances. Paragraph 1. Those mentioned in the preceding chapter when all the requisite necessary to justify or to exempt from criminal liability in the respective cases are not attendant. Paragraph 2. That the offender is under 18 under of age or over 70 years in the case of the minor, he shall be proceed against in the accordance with the provision of Article 80. Paragraph 3. That the offender had no intention to commit so grave a wrong as that committed. Paragraph 4. The sufficient provocation or threat on the part of the offended party immediately prepared the act. Paragraph 5. That the act was committed in the immediate vindication of a grave offense to one committing the felony, a delito, be spouse, ascendants, or relatives. Paragraph 6. That of having acted upon an impulse so powerful naturally to have produced passion or obfuscation. 7. That the offender had voluntarily surrendered himself to a person in the authority of his agent, or that he had confessed his guilt before the court prior to the presentation of the evidence for the provocation. Paragraph 8. That the offender is deaf and dumb, blind or dumb, or otherwise suffering some physical defect or means of action, defense, or communication, or fellow beings. Paragraph 9. Such an illness of the offender as will diminish the exercise of the willpower of the offender without depriving him of the consciousness of his acts. And the last one, paragraph 10. And finally, any order circumstances of a similar sum and analogous to those above mentioned.